Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency servicing clients across the globe for the last 15 years. Today we are sharing an inspiring case study about how we have transformed the Google AdWords performance of a family-run business specializing in the home product improvement. So now let's dive in. A small family business approached us with the mission to improve their online sales. Based in York, they have specialized in creating premium wall panels for both the residential and the commercial spaces. Despite their high quality products, their online advertising efforts were falling short. They had been running basic search and the smart campaign that brought in some traffic but failed to generate consistent results. Their biggest challenges included the lack of proper conversion tracking, no shopping campaigns to showcase their products visually, inefficient budget allocation, and the absence of the retargeting efforts to engage the potential customers who had already visited their website. To turn things around, we began by analyzing their business in detail. We have reviewed their product catalog, website structure, and the customer behavior to identify key product categories and to understand their target audience. Using these insights, we have designed highly targeted shopping campaigns tailored to their specific offerings, such as fluted wall panels, ribbed wall panels, and black slat wall panels. This allowed us to allocate budgets strategically and attract customers searching for these exact products. Next, we have implemented the Performance Max campaign to expand their reach across the Google's ecosystem, including YouTube, Gmail, and display. For these campaigns, we have developed high quality banners and videos showcasing the aesthetic appeal and premium quality of their wall panels. We also ran the PMax campaign without asset to let Google machine learning create creatives directly from the Google feed, enabling a quicker rollout while maintaining stronger results. Retargeting played a key role in our strategy. We have set up the campaign to reconnect with the users who visited the website but did not complete their purchase. To make an impact, our in-house creative team designed custom banners showcasing special offers and produced the video ads demonstrating the installation process. This approach helped us grab attention and bring those users back to complete their journey. To ensure accurate measurement and the optimization, we have set up the comprehensive tracking system. We implemented the GA4 to gain detailed insights into the user behavior, Google Tag Manager for the seamless tracking, and the Microsoft Clarity to analyze the user interactions and identify the areas for website improvement. Additionally, we have launched the brand campaign to capture search traffic from users looking to specifically for their business, ensuring they stay ahead of the competitors. The results were amazing. Monthly revenue jumped to $97,000 with a ROAS of 6.14. With the conversion tracking in place, we were able to adjust the campaigns in real time, which led to a big increase in sales. We also made sure to share all this data with our client through the easy to understand weekly and the monthly reports using the Google Data Studio and the reporting tools. These reports showcase exactly how their ad spending was performing, including details on the earnings and the ROI, so they could see the great results they were getting. This case study shows how a well-structured Google AdWords campaign can drive success. With the shopping campaign, PMax, and the retargeting, we achieved amazing results. Accurate tracking ensured every dollar was spent wisely. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us from our website. We will be able to do the audit, and then we can actually let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us and then just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.